Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. I'm Natira binti Muhammad Murtaza and I would like to present the company background of Ron Manufacturing Sdn Bhd. Ron Manufacturing Sdn Bhd is a footwear manufacturing company that focuses on producing high quality running shoes for consumers in Malaysia. The company operates under a business to consumer or B2C business model, which means it sells its product directly to customers through retail stores, company-owned outlets and online platform. Its main goal is to provide comfortable, durable, stylish and high performance shoes for people with active lifestyle. The company manufactures different types of running shoes, including lightweight jogging shoes and marathon shoes that are suitable for both everyday use and professional sports activities. To ensure quality and comfort, the shoes are made using premium materials such as breathable mesh fabric, rubber soles, foam cushioning, and synthetic leather. They are also equipped with modern features like shock absorption system and anti-slip soles to improve performance and safety. In terms of organizational structure, Ron Manufacturing Sdn Bhd follow a functional structure led by a Chief Executive Officer or CEO. The CEO oversees several important departments, including finance and accounting, marketing and sales, human resources, and quality control. Each department plays a vital role in ensuring the company operates efficiently and delivers high-quality products to customers. Finally, the production process starts with designing the shoes using computer software based on market trends and customer needs. After selecting the raw materials, the components are cut, sewn, and assembled. Every pair of shoes then undergoes strict quality control checks before being packaged and distributed to retail stores, online platform, and distribution centers across Malaysia.
I will explain the industry and product analysis, including the description of the product, target market, industry overview, and customer analysis. Product description. Ron Manufacturing Sdn Bhd produce running shoes that focus on comfort, support, and performance. The shoes are made using high-quality materials and modern technology such as shock absorption system, anti-slip soles, and ergonomic design. Besides performance, the company also emphasizes attractive design and various color choice to suit customer preference. Target market. The target market includes young adults, athletes, students, workers, and individuals with activity style. Athletes need durable and high-performance shoes, while younger customers trend to prefer stylish design. Students and workers are also targeted because they need comfort shoes or daily activity. Industry overview. The sports shoes industry continues to grow due to increasing awareness of health and fitness. Activities such as jogging, gym workout, and recreational sports have increased demand for running shoes. However, the industry is highly competitive because many local and international brands compete through innovation, design, and marketing strategy. E-commerce platforms also help companies expand sales online. Customer analysis. Customers usually consider several important factors before purchasing, including quality, comfort, price, and design. They prefer shoes that are durable, flexible, and provide good support during activity. Affordable pricing and positive user experience also help build customer trust and loyalty.
I will explain the costing method application used by Ron Manufacturing. The first method is job order costing. This method is used to calculate the cost of a specific production batch. For the production of 500 units of running shoes, the company recorded direct material of RM19,000, direct labor of RM12,648, and manufacturing overhead of RM15,000. As a result, the total production cost was RM46,648, with a cost per unit of RM93.30. The second method is activity-based costing. This method allocates overhead costs based on activities performed during productions. The main activities identified were measuring and cutting, stitching and assembling, quality checking, and packing. The analysis showed that stitching and assembling consumed the highest overhead cost. Overall, the overhead cost allocated per unit was RM30. The third method is process costing. This method is used to assign costs throughout the production process. Out of 500 units started, 450 units were completed, while 50 units remained as work in process. The cost per equivalent unit was RM96.23. These three costing methods provide valuable cost information and help management make better decisions regarding pricing, cost control, and production planning.
For section 4.0, I will explain the cost calculation and product costing of Ron Manufacturing Sdn Bhd. The company produces 500 units of running shoes. The first cost component is direct materials, which include mesh fabric, rubber soles, foam cushions, and shoelaces with packaging. The total direct material cost is RM19,000. The second component is direct labor, covering activities such as measuring and cutting, stitching and assembling, quality inspection, and packaging. The direct labor cost amounts to RM12,648. The next is manufacturing overhead, which consists of factory electricity, machine maintenance, indirect labor, factory rent, and quality control cost. The total manufacturing overhead is 15,000. By adding all three cost components together, the company's total production cost is 46,648. To determine the cost per unit, the total production cost is divided by 500 units produced. Therefore, the cost per unit is 93 ringgit and 30 cent. In terms of profitability, each pair of running shoes is sold at under 50 ringgit. This generates a total sales revenue of 75,000 ringgit. After deducting the production cost, the company earns a profit of 28,350 ringgit with a profit margin of approximately 37.8%. This analysis shows that the company is able to cover all production costs while generating a healthy profit. Accurate product costing is important because it helps management make better decisions regarding pricing, cost control, and future business planning.
Now,
Thank you.
I would like to explain the first manager decision analysis, which is pricing decision. Based on the cost calculation, the total production cost for 500 units of running shoes is 46,648 ringgit. When this amount is divided by 500 units, the cost per unit is 93 ringgit and 30 cents. The company set the selling price at 150 ringgit per unit. Therefore, the profit earned per unit is 56 ringgit and 70 cents. The cost information help management set an appropriate selling price, avoid loss, and ensure the product remain profitable and competitive in the market. Next is cost control. Based on the analysis, the company three main production costs are direct material costing 19,000 ringgit, direct labor costing 12,648 ringgit, and manufacturing overhead costing 15,000 ringgit. By understanding this cost component, management can identify areas where expenses can be reduced. For example, the company can minimize raw material wastage, improve employee productivity, and closely monitor overhead expenses such as electricity usage, machine maintenance, and quality control costs. As a result, the company can reduce production expenses and improve profitability without affecting product quality. Manager decision analysis is profit planning. Based on the sales target of 500 units, with a selling price of 150 ringgit per unit, the company is expected to generate sales revenue of 75,000 ringgit. After deducting the total production cost of 46,648 ringgit, the company is expected to earn a profit of 28,352 ringgit. This gives the company a profit margin of 37.80%. This information helps management estimate future profit, prepare budget, set financial goals, and develop suitable business strategies. I will explain production efficiency. During the production period, the company started producing 500 units of running shoes. Out of these, 450 units were complete, while 50 units remained in work in process inventory. This means that the company successfully completed 90% of its product output. This efficiency rate helps management evaluate how effectively raw material, labor, and production resources are being utilized. The further improve efficiency, the company can reduce waste, streamline operation, and provide proper training to the employee. Higher production efficiency can lower production cost per unit and improve the company overall performance.
My name is Nur Husnina. I will present the future business planning of Run Manufacturing Sdn Berhad, which focus on cost reduction, market expansion, and operational improvement. First, for cost reduction strategy, the company can purchase raw material in bulk to obtain lower price from suppliers. Besides that, proper control of material usage is important to reduce wastage during production. The company should also monitor overhead costs such as electricity consumption, machine repair expenses, and quality maintenance costs. This action can help reduce production costs and improve profitability. Next, for market expansion, Run Manufacturing can increase its customer base by strengthening its presence on social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. The company can create engaging content, including show manufacturing process video, product review, customer testimony, and promotional video. In addition, paid advertisement on social media can help the company reach a larger audience, increase sales, and strengthen its market position throughout Malaysia. Lastly, for operational improvement, the company should conduct regular training programs to improve employees' technical skill, work efficiency, and productivity. A modern inventory management system can also be implemented to manage stock more effectively and reduce the risk of shortage or excess inventory. Furthermore, regular machine maintenance can prevent production disruption caused by machine breakdown. The company may also invest in automated machines to speed up production, reduce labor costs, and improve overall operational performance. In conclusion, by implementing this strategy, Run Manufacturing Sdn Bhd can achieve continuous growth, improve competitiveness, and enhance overall business performance in the future. Now, I will present the costing method evaluation and justification for Run Manufacturing Sdn Bhd. First, we compare the three costing methods, namely job order costing, activity-based costing or ABC, and process costing. For job order costing, the total production cost was RM46,648 for 500 units of running shoes. This results in a cost per unit of RM93.30. This method allocates cost based on a specific production batch. For activity-based costing, manufacturing overhead costs were allocated according to production activities such as measuring and cutting, stitching and assembling, quality inspection, and packaging. This method provides a more detailed analysis of overhead costs and help management identify activities that contribute most to production costs. For process costing, the total production cost was RM46,215, while the cost per equivalent units was RM96.23. This method considers both complete and partial complete unit in the production process. For job order costing, the advantage are accurate cost tracking, easier pricing and profit calculation, and better cost control. However, it requires extensive documentation and may lead to inaccurate overhead estimate. For activity-based costing, it provides more accurate overhead allocation, identify non-value added activities, and improve decision making. However, it is costly to implement and requires skilled personnel. Lastly, process costing is suitable for large-scale production, provide accurate average unit cost, and support budgeting. However, it is not suitable for product with many variations and may hide cost difference. After evaluating all three methods, we found that job order costing is the most suitable costing method for Run Manufacturing Sdn Bhd. This is because the company produces running shoes that may vary in design, size, material, and customer requirement. Therefore, each production batch can be tracked separately and more accurately. In addition, job order costing is practical to implement, provide accurate cost information, and support important managerial decisions such as pricing, budgeting, profit planning, and cost control. The choice is justified based on 4 factors. First, production nature. The company produces running shoes that may differ in design, size, material, and customer requirements. Therefore, costs need to be tracked separately for each production batch. Second, accuracy. Job order costing record direct material, direct labor, and overhead costs for each batch, providing more accurate cost information. Third, practicality. Compared to ABC, this method is simpler, easier to manage, and require less administrative work. Finally, decision-making usefulness. The method helps management make better decisions regarding pricing, budgeting, profit planning, and cost control because the actual production cost can be clearly identified.